Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, and I'm at my friend's house on Long Island. It's about a couple of hours out of New York. I hope that the internet connection here is good, and I will actually try to put my phone down so that you can see the sky. Let's see if that works. Ooh, I'm gonna check on my other phone if that works and see how the sound is. It's pretty good. Let's see the sound. It's pretty good. Let's see the sound. Okay, the sound is good too. Perfect. Now let's hope that the internet connection is gonna stay put. Good morning, Mary. Can you please tell me if the sound is okay for you? I think I checked it on my other phone and it's fine, but just to be sure. Hmm. Good morning, Gina. Thank you, Mary. Good morning, Mariella. Good morning, Maria. So I don't know if you were here, but I said I am on Long Island today. This is a couple of hours out of New York. We're at a friend's house, our girls' weekend out. Good morning, Cherry. It's really nice here. I love it. And the temperature dropped drastically. It was about 100 degrees just the other day, and yesterday it dropped to like 65, which I love, but it was just a big drop. The trees here are really beautiful, especially the tops, so that's why I turned the phone this way so that you can see the tops and the sky. Anyway, I hope that the internet is gonna hold up because we are in the country after all. And it is time for us to start. So today we're going to have a special practice. We're going to continue with Ho'oponopono because this is our commitment this month, but we're going to fuse it with the healing fountain practice because I got a special request from Pascal, who many of you know. She is one of our most dedicated yogis at Your Yoga. And she just messaged me yesterday that her father in Guatemala had a stroke earlier yesterday, and he is in intensive care. And so there is no particular information yet but she asked us to include him and her family, of course, in our practice today so that we can send some energy their way. So let's do the practice of healing fountain infused with the practice of Ho'oponopono. And remember that in the past few days, I've been explaining that Ho'oponopono is a way to heal other people through healing ourselves. And the healing can be obviously, spiritual, emotional, mental, and physical as well. So you don't need to play God or anything and, imagine that you're healing the other person. You just need to work on yourself and trust that by healing yourself, you create ripple effects into the world. So let's take a comfortable position. You may want to close your eyes or keep them open, your choice. Acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, external and internal. And remember, as you acknowledge your external circumstances, include my external circumstances that I'm sharing with you through the image and sound that I'm sharing, and other people's on this practice, even though you cannot see each other's backdrops or hear what's going on. Just know that you're sharing in each other experiences, creating a stronger bond of interconnectedness. Little by little, start focusing on your internal experiences, physical sensations, thoughts, feelings. Let your breath be soft and easy without forcing, and invite effortlessness into your body, softening, releasing tension from the inside out. Now see, sense, feel, or imagine a beautiful fountain in all detail possible for you. And know that this is a special fountain, healing fountain. The water in this fountain is of golden color, golden light, healing all kinds of ailments, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual. Come up to the fountain and just dip your fingers in the basin and feel how your whole body responds with a sensation of relaxation, peace, coming home. And it's so beautiful and strong and wonderful, this sensation, that you want to share it into the world. So right now, invite everybody who you know needs healing. Together, we will invite Pascal's dad, who just had a stroke yesterday. We'll invite Pascal and her whole family just to be at the fountain and receive this healing together with us. And of course, invite everybody else who you feel needs to be there. Once everybody is gathered, let yourselves play around the fountain, coming into this golden light of healing waters. All your ailments instantly transformed into light, into healing. I'll give you a couple of minutes for that in silence. And once you feel that you've had enough of this frolicking around the golden light, the golden water of this healing fountain, find a nice spot somewhere near where you can rest and reflect a little bit, where you can be comfortable, at peace, resting. And here, in this comfortable resting spot, together, we're going to do the practice of Ho'oponopono, dedicated to cleaning within us whatever it is that we share in the common experience of everybody who suffers from stroke, Pascal's dad in particular, and everybody who suffers while caring for people who just had a stroke. Again, don't worry about how your own cleaning, your own cleansing, or cleansing of your own energy is going to help the other people. Just trust that it is so. And for the next few minutes, I'm just going to repeat the whole Ho'oponopono verse with little pauses after each line so that we can say the lines all together, augmenting the healing energy, sharing in the oneness of this experience. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Continue repeating these phrases a few more times out loud or mentally. And just notice what comes to you as you do this. Maybe there is an image or a thought or some kind of message that you need to hear or see. Open yourself to receiving. And of course, if nothing comes, don't worry, don't be disappointed. It's okay. Now bring your hands to your heart and take a few moments to just seal this experience into your heart. And if you have received a special message that you need to share with the world in some way, set, as, set it as your intention for today. Thank you so much for being here this morning, for taking part in this active healing for one of our friends, fellow yogis, and creating this ripple effect into the world. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.